Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block someone on Instagram if they already blocked you. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's proceed. For that, first of all, access your Instagram app on your mobile phone. Now this kind of interface is gonna appear right there over here. First of all, let's go ahead and search a user who has blocked us. So for example, we're gonna be searching a user and you can see this user has blocked me. Now the first thing is we're simply gonna go ahead and search a username and tap on this three dot on top, and we will have simply this option of block and we will be able to block them. But if in case you're not being able to find them, then all you gotta do is go to your profile in the bottom right, go ahead tap on any random post of yours, and now go ahead tap on this comments option in the bottom and simply add in the @ and simply mention their username. Now go ahead, we will mention this is the username, right? We have mentioned them. Now simply post it. So you can see this kind of notification gonna appear obviously. So go ahead tap on it and now you can find this again, the profile, if you couldn't access beforehand. Again tap on three dot on top, tap on block, and tap on block and confirm, and now you have simply blocked that user as well and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.